Good evening, YouTube friends. So this is the seed tray that I told you this afternoon, or like midday today, and I'll be transferring some of those cabbage seedlings that we have here. It's around it's around 8:30, 30 past 8 in the evening here, and I'll be um, moving out some of the seedlings here. So I'll give you some example here. Since I have a uh, Okra tournament this evening, so I cannot give you the process of replanting this one. So anyway, I'll give you like 14 minutes to go, then the tournament will start. So maybe I can give you some highlight here in our replanting, and the seedlings will wait for another 2 weeks before we can transfer this one to the permanent location until they will be harvested. So what I'm going to do here, YouTube friends, will be the weeding. No, not the right term. Thinning. But actually, it like carrots are like the most appropriate plant when you use the word thinning. But anyway, here we'll just like allow one single cabbage seedlings here to stay, and the rest we have to bring this one there. So we've got to do this work this evening, YouTube friends, as tomorrow, even it's like holiday, but still I have to go to school for the training of my 2 students for the speech competition. So like that, and then we'll bring this one there. See that one? We'll bring this one there. So it's like, and then I'll give you like update about this tomorrow morning, like early. And I think from then on I'll give you like daily update kind of thing. If you can remember the thing that I did with the Himalayan mulberries at this time, it's about the cabbage. So I'll give you some daily update to our cabbage seedlings here. Yeah, kind of difficult task I'm doing here, YouTube friends. The other hand is holding the phone, the camera, and the other hand is also planting. So, and we have some stupid neighbors here. They keep calling their cats. That cats continue to litter here, and yeah, in our place, and it's really smelly. You can't do anything with these guys. If some of my compatriots, my co-Filipino, don't have any common sense, so much more to the local people here in Thailand. Maybe a few of them have common sense, but generally they don't. So yeah, I'm replanting this one. It's your friends, and we'll stay here for another 2 weeks before we can move this out and transfer to the permanent location. I still have to prepare the pots, their places, the pots or the polyethylene plastic pot or the plastic pot where they can permanently stay until they um, produce bulb and be harvested like after 3 months. So the time being we have to do this. How many minutes already? Like 6 minutes. So after this, YouTube friends, I have to upload this in my YouTube channel. It's a raw video clip, no edit, no everything, no filter, anything. What you have seen here, it's real. And my right hand is holding the phone to film, and my left hand is is planting. So my poker tournament, it's a free roll tournament from 888 poker. We'll start like 8 minutes now. 8 minutes from now. So I may end up this one anytime soon. And then I'll give you the update tomorrow about the look of these new transferred seedlings from the main seed tray. Now we move out some of those some of these cabbage seedlings here in the second seed tray, and we'll stay here for another 2 weeks. It will allow that the roots will be able to find grass beneath and then absorb more nutrients, because we'll be putting like fertilizer that is rich in nitrogen. That is the main purpose, the main function, which is to provide more boost to the growth of the plant. So with that, I'm quite busy. After this, I have tournament, and at the same time, I have to review some of the speeches of the students. What could be the words to add and be omitted? I think we're about to finalize everything, and maybe just a little bit of changes. The main idea, the concept, it's already there. Maybe the mastery and their stage presence will be needed to be developed, enhanced, and practice in advance, because this Thursday, this week, December 8th, will be the competition. Oh, it's really difficult to do like this, no? I think I can add more soil tomorrow. So the time being, so let them stay. So 9 minutes already. So not long from now, YouTube friends, I may cut this video so soon. And then, as I mentioned to you again and again lately, that I'll give you the update tomorrow morning before heading to school for the practice with the students. So I'll give you the idea. It's good if you do this one, YouTube friends, like early evening or like late afternoon when the temperature starts cooling down, so that the whole evening the roots will have a chance to absorb more nutrients and can start like regrowing again with the roots beneath. It's important. And in 2 weeks time, I'm pretty sure that the roots will be able to connect and take all the space beneath, and then we can just pull this out with no problem and be transferred to their permanent location. So I'll show you for the last time removing and like thinning of our cabbage seedlings there in our original seed tray. But I think until there, and then I'll see you tomorrow morning. So as mentioned to you, YouTube friends, so we have to remove more seedlings here, and this one. Okay, which one we're going to leave behind? Maybe that one. Okay, we still have more here, more. Can you still see that? If we can't finish this one tonight, this evening, we'll do this tomorrow again. Actually, we still have lots and lots of cabbage seeds. Okay, 12 minutes already. I think 1 minute more. My tournament free roll tournament at 888 poker will start. So see you tomorrow, and you'll see this one, even this seed tray here that is cut like 1/3 of, maybe like 1/4 size that is being cut by, I forgot what happened here. So I'll be planting cabbage seedlings also here and also here. So see you in the morning, YouTube friends. Thank you for watching.